Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone. I'm happy you're here. It's my happy place, and we have had days and days and days and days and days of rain, and this has been my saving grace to come down here to stop looking out those yucky windows, put my music on, dance around to my tunes, and play with my paints. Hey, we have a special guest in the house, guys. I told you a while back that every once in a while I'd like to reach out to new artists, up-and-coming artists that have been around for a long time that I think deserve a shout-out. Rick and I traveled to and from our home on Hilton Head Island to Asheville, and it's a 4.5, 5-hour drive, so I generally spend that time looking at YouTube videos, looking at my peeps, my peers, and every once in a while I come across someone that inspires me. And the lady that is with me today, sweet Tina Sacco, or Sacco. Tina, forgive me if I'm not saying your last name properly. She has a YouTube channel called TSR Creations, and I fell upon her about a month or so ago and reached out and said, hey Tina, you want to paint with me sometime? And she said, hey Kathleen, I'd love to. So Tina and I are painting. Tina's been a pouring artist for about 4 years now, but she has been doing art her entire life. She's self-taught. She does a lot of mixed media, resin, alcohol inks, jewelry. She's a talented young lady, and I'm going to post the link to her YouTube channel, guys. Promise me that you will head over and give Tina a big shout out and a hello from me. We're going to be painting together today. I let Tina pick the colors. She chose a white base coat, and she chose magentas, blues, golds, purples, and white. So I'm really excited about that. I'm going to try one of her techniques, which she calls a feather swipe. Now, I've done feather swipes before. My actual very first YouTube video, I did a feather swipe, but she does beautiful feather swipes, and then she manipulates them with her popsicle sticks and her skewers and puts lovely little designs through them. So that's what I'm doing, and Tina is going to be doing one of my swipe techniques. So I'm really, really excited. You're going to be seeing periodically through the videos some of Tina's work. Promise me that you will head over, check her out, and I'm excited. Let's talk about what we're doing here down on the canvas. I am working on a 12 by 36 inch gallery wrap canvas, and I'm pretty sure that Tina is using the same size. My base coat today is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics in the white. That is mixed with my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol and 50% Golden GAC 800. Water if needed, but I did not need to add any water to this. The Artist Loft is a flow acrylic, and it's not very heavy bodied paint. So I know that Tina's pouring medium, I believe, is just Floetrol and water. So our little swiping colors in this pretty cup right here, we have DecoArt Dazzling Metallics, and that is the ice blue. This is a pretty paint, and it's very inexpensive. This whole bottle cost me, I think, $6.50. And if you have a coupon, it's even 30 or 40% off of that price. So not a bad deal. This is Liquitech Basics Acrylics, and this is their purple. Nice, rich, dark color. All my paints, guys, are going to be listed in the description box. Just click on that and gives you all kinds of nice information. Now, this paint is gorgeous, and I want to get more of this. This is the Modern Masters Metallics, and this is the Venetian Blue. But oh my goodness, the shimmer in this paint is warms my heart, guys. These Modern Masters are really good, and I bought them for $3 a bottle. So guys, thanks for joining Tina and I. Tina from TSR Creations. Go over there and visit her. I'm going to post some pictures of some of Tina's lovely artwork and put some music on, and we're going to get busy.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you.